Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to a new year. This is my first Ipsy for this year. I will be unbagging the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. They do send me this for review purpose and we're gonna jump in. The little card says happy vibes and it says this month and year make time for the things that make you smile. I love that. I am all about positivity and really just want to look forward to this year and making the best out of each day, you know, especially with what's going on in the world. You know, each day isn't promised. We got to focus on the good. Okay, let's start with the Glam Bag, and it is this cute little pastel colored looking bag. I think that this is super cute, and let's see what's in here. First thing in here is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is very nice for those people with dry skin. It is a thicker cream and doesn't feel as watery going on, but it does really hydrate a ton. I absolutely love this. I have one of their scents like for Christmas time and it is phenomenal. So yeah, so I already have like 2 of these. I have the Christmas scent one and a regular one, and probably will be giving that one to a family member. Next thing in here is the Grace and Stella Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. And this is just a small little glass dropper of hyaluronic acid. A great way to try the brand and see if you enjoy it. Next thing in here is the Dew Tube. This is by Do You, and this is in the shade Champagne. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a corally shimmer. It's very, very beautiful. And it says Dew Tube, and it has a little droplet on there, but the shade is absolutely stunning. I am going to be putting this into my collection and trying to use it. Next thing in here is this little Ditto Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. I've never tried this brand, but yeah, we shall see. I might give this away because I have like so many freaking mascaras. I actually did a declutter video and a full collection video. I'm really trying to use up what I have. If you don't follow me on Instagram and want to see more makeup of the day kind of content and shop your stash, that is what I am leaning towards now. I am going to be doing more videos like that as well. And then the last thing in here is this itty bitty little baby Benefit Professional Light, and this is a great way to try the primer, but it's a little too tiny for me. When things come in smaller sizes, I prefer, you know, this kind of size. This to me is more doable, but this one, it's tiny. It's a little bitty baby. And let's go ahead and see what the other bag looks like. Oh, that's so cute. It has a little smiley face. I love that. That's super, super cute. Again, with the pastel shades. And first thing in here is the Girl Lactic Cranberry Sugar Face Scrub. I haven't tried face scrubs in forever. Let's see. It literally took me a hot minute to get this to pop up. It's so pressured on there. Oh, this smells so sugary and nice. And it does have like these little kind of like seeds on there. Let me see if I can show you guys without making this fall. It does have these seeds on there. I hope that they aren't kind of too rough for the skin where it actually make cuts, you know, kind of like the St. Ives that's really frowned upon. But this says that it's a cranberry scrub and you just use it. And oh, it's kind of like a face mask. It says to leave for 3 to 5 minutes. But it smells so freaking good. I would probably be like, okay, and then next thing in here is Huxley. It says Secret of Sahara, great things never came from comfort zones. I'm not sure what, oh, these are masks. Okay, so these are sheet masks, and it has prickly pear seed oil. It's supposed to leave your skin soft and glowing. And how many are in here? Okay, there's 3 in this little package right here. I don't know why it threw me off. This whole packaging threw me off. I couldn't really tell what the hell it was, but it's really beautiful aesthetic. It kind of just throws you off because you're not sure what it is. But it's supposed to be the secret of the Sahara. It's a mask, oil, and extract from there. So yeah. The next thing in here is by Cella. This is a dual liquid eyeliner pearl, and it says black and blue are the shades that are in here. Let me see. Oh, is this a double-ended liner? Not gonna lie, it took me forever to take that stupid wrapper off of this, but it's a double-ended, and one is blue. Let's see. Wow, it's like a very shimmery blue, very metallic-y, and then the other one is black. But these are, why do I always say these? It's like my Spanish comes out. This is the kind of liner that I absolutely love because it is not a felt tip. It's more of like bristles on the end. And yeah, so these are absolutely beautiful. I love how dark the black is, and the blue is absolutely stunning. It seems like a really fun pop of blue. Then the next thing in here is a brush. This one looks really nice. It's just a flat shader brush. I think a lot of people would like this for like cutting the crease, just because it looks like you could get it really precise, and it's pretty large to cover a big area. This is from Hip Dot, and it's called the Precise Brush. I did not plan that, just in case, but it looks really nice. I will be trying this out. I always want to do cut creases, but I don't know why. I just feel like they look weird when I do them. Anyone else? And then the last thing in here is by Kimchi. This is the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. And it says it's a fine mist. And oh, the bottle, I like the colors on here. It's super green and pink, very like kimchi. And let's see. Oh, it is very light. Just spraying some into my face. It doesn't have much of a smell to it. I want to say like I kind of smell a little bit of something, but I don't know what it is. And yeah, it says you've managed to beat on that mug after carefully blending it to perfection. Now take this bottle and spritz this magical liquid all over your face to seal that masterpiece. This seems really nice. And Kimchi, if you don't know, is a drag queen, and hopefully this helps makeup stay. It's called the Stage Proof Matte, and you know drag queens being into some heavy lights. Hopefully this works amazing. And that is it for the Glam Bag Plus. Let me know which bag was your favorite. I have to say, I think this month, I want to say the Glam Bag Plus is my favorite, between the kimchi, the cranberry scrub. This eyeliner seems really up my alley, and the brush. But both of them were pretty nice. There wasn't too much makeup in here. There was just like one or two things. I feel like this month was more skincare. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you guys so much for your support, for watching, for subscribing. And if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. You can hit that little like button, follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.